Okay, answer. My name is Andrew, and we gonna talk about chapter 4. So, chapter 4 is reported speech, function, and forms. So, snapshot here. Setelah kita melewati clue nomor 1, nomor 2, dan nomor 3, saya akan mengajak Anda untuk secara praktis memahami bentuk kalimat tidak langsung, atau lebih umum dikenal sebagai reported speech atau indirect speech. Secara tidak kita sadari, dalam aktivitas berkomunikasi kita, sering mengutip pendapat orang untuk disampaikan pada orang lain. Kita juga sering melaporkan apa yang pernah diucapkan oleh orang-orang tertentu kepada orang lain. Hal tersebut berarti kita telah menggunakan kalimat tidak langsung. Untuk lebih mudahnya, saya berikan contoh kepada Anda seperti berikut ini. Jika pada saat ini Anda berprofesi sebagai wartawan atau reporter di salah satu stasiun TV, maka tugas utama Anda adalah mencari berita dan melaporkannya kembali kepada para pembaca atau pemirsa TV. Anda dapat mencari berita melalui sebuah wawancara atau menyimak program acara tertentu yang ditayangkan di televisi secara tidak langsung. Jika Anda menuangkan ucapan orang-orang yang Anda tersebut ke dalam bentuk kalimat, Anda harus menggunakan kalimat laporan atau kalimat tidak langsung atau reported speech. Anda perlu mengetahui aturan dan atau rules yang berlaku pada reported speech untuk bisa menulis berita tersebut di koran, majalah, tabloid, atau melaporkannya secara langsung kepada pemirsa. So, in detail pattern, jika dilihat dari jenis ucapan, pelaporan dapat dibedakan menjadi A. Pelaporan kembali ucapan yang berupa statement. Anda melaporkan suatu pernyataan, statement, berita, informasi atau cerita yang pernah diucapkan atau dikatakan oleh seseorang. Reporting press yang harus Anda pergunakan adalah said that, told that, mengatakan plus factual. Jika sekolah Anda mengatakan bahwa semua siswa harus datang tepat waktu pada hari Senin, maka hal tersebut dapat Anda laporkan. The headmaster said that all the students had to come on time on Monday. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari all students have to come on Monday. Jika Anda menyampaikan kepada teman Anda bahwa ibu Anda mengatakan kalau biaya sekolah sekarang semakin mahal, maka Anda dapat mengatakannya, my mother said that the tuition fee was increasing. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari the tuition fee is increasing. Jika Anda mendengar Presiden kita mengatakan bahwa kenaikan harga BBM tidak bisa dihindari, dan sekarang Anda ingin melaporkannya kepada teman Anda, maka Anda dapat mengatakan sebagai berikut. Our president said that the increase of the fuel price was inevitable. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari the increase of the fuel price is unavoidable. Dan seterusnya, teks berikut ditulis oleh seorang siswa ingin mengatakan beberapa hal penting yang telah didengarnya di sekolah selama 1 minggu ini. Here are some important things I have heard this week at school. My headmaster said that the conditions of school was better than before. More students went to library and only fewer students came late. He said that the school exam would be held in the end of this month. He added that the student had to pay the tuition fee for until the next month. Anda juga bisa menulis beberapa hal penting yang diucapkan oleh seseorang dalam satu atau dua hari ini. Seperti yang saya dengar dan ingin saya katakan kepada Anda sebagai berikut. I have got some important things to tell you in these last 2 days. A political activist who also a member of a city council uh, said that he would retire from this membership in the party and city council soon. He said that he got his own business that may make him very busy. He explained that he didn't care too much about the higher salary as one of the member of the city council. According to him, to be a member of city council got, should not have got too much salary. He said that in their service to people was as for the as the form of dedication, not a business fee. Furthermore, he added that to have much more energy was not to be realized through their profession. I think I agree with him. B. Pelaporan kembali ucapan yang berupa komen. Anda melaporkan suatu perintah, nasihat, atau permintaan yang dikatakan oleh seseorang. Important phrase yang digunakan adalah told me, him, her, or them, to, ask me, him, her, or them, plus verb one. Seperti ini. Jika Anda ingin memberitahu teman Anda bahwa Presiden telah meminta para menterinya untuk sila menggelar rapat dan membicarakan masalah nasional, maka kita dapat menulisnya. The President has asked all his ministers to have a meeting as soon as possible to discuss the national problems. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari have a meeting as soon as possible to discuss the national problems. Berikutnya, Anda ingin menulis surat kepada Bimbi mengenai beberapa penting yang telah diperintahkan oleh guru dan kepala sekolah kepada semua murid-muridnya. Yang antara lain sebagai berikut. Datang ke tempat waktu, tidak curang saat ujian, segera melunasi SPP, mengenakan seragam sekolah, tidak merokok, tidak makan permen di kelas, dan agar tidak main kartu di kelas. Teks Anda tulis mungkin akan terlihat seperti di bawah ini. Dear Aunt, there are several things I need to tell you about my school. Last Monday morning, I had an announcement from my headmaster. In the announcement, he advised several things to the students. He told us to come on time. He asked the students to not cheat during the exam. He also told us to pay the tuition fee and always wear school uniforms at school. He insisted us not to smoke, not to eat candies in the classroom, and not to play cards too. I think I agree to all what he was advised us. But aunt, I need money right now. If only you could send me some as soon as possible. That's the location. Dalam tes berikut, Victor ingin memberitahu bahwa satu minggu ini dia telah mendapat beberapa nasihat dan perintah untuk beberapa sesuatu. Hi, I've got so many things to do this week. My father told me to check the lubricant of his car, while my mom told me to get her motorcycle repaired. I have some home assignment from some teachers. My mathematics teacher told me to finish exercise 1 and 2 before Monday, and told us to learn in the classroom to be ready for an exam in the beginning of this month. My English teacher told all the students to go out for an observation in some tourist resorts, and he told us to write reports. My biology teacher has asked all the students to have an experiment of rats next Monday. I have to call my girlfriend, and she has asked me to call her on the weekend. She asked me to pick her up at her house for a walk and sightseeing. I hope I will not forget any of them. Well, what a busy season, Fitun Jojen. C. Laporan kembali ucapan yang berupa kalimat prohibition. Anda ingin melaporkan suatu larangan yang telah diucapkan oleh seseorang. Perbuatan polisi yang digunakan adalah told me, him, her, or them not to ask him, ask me, him, her, them, us not to verb one. Seperti contohnya, jika kemarin Anda dipesan oleh teman baik agar tidak terlalu banyak chatting di internet, Anda dapat menceritakan kembali pesan tersebut. A best friend of mine to suggested me not to have chatting in the internet too much. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari don't have chatting in the internet too much. Jika guru Anda menasihati Anda agar tidak terlalu banyak untuk membantu cellphone terlalu sering, maka Anda dapat melaporkan hal tersebut. My teacher has advised me not to waste my money on exchanging cell phones too often. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari don't waste your money on exchanging cell phones too often. Jika Anda mendengar bahwa Stella dinasihati oleh teman istimewanya agar dia tidak pergi keluar di malam hari, maka Anda dapat menceritakan kembali hal tersebut. Stella was advised by her special boyfriend not to go out at night. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari don't go out at night. Jika Anda ingin menulis kartu pos kepada seorang teman untuk menceritakan kembali nasihat penting yang Anda terima dari beberapa orang, tulisan Anda mungkin akan terlihat seperti berikut ini. Hi, how are you doing? How is school? I would like to tell you some important things. These 5 days, I have got many advices from different persons. They care about me very much. A best friend has told me not to have a chat in the internet too much. A good teacher of mine advised me not to delay what I can do today. My mother has suggested me to not to be lazy, to take an English class. in the evening, and my dad asked me not to receive any phone calls this day. Best friend of your Big Stella. D. Pelaporan kembali ucapan yang berupa kalimat yes or no question. Jika kita melaporkan kembali suatu pernyataan yang pengukuhan ya atau tidak, yes or no question, yang pernah diucapkan seseorang, reported phrase yang akan kita gunakan seperti berikut. Ask, kurang wanted to know if or whether plus verb to. Seperti yang bisa kita lihat pada seperti ini. Jika Anda ingin menceritakan kembali kejadian tadi pagi tadi, yaitu ketika Anda ditanya oleh ibu apakah bisa pulang sebelum jam 12, maka laporan Anda mungkin akan seperti berikut. My mother asked me if I could go back home before 12. Maksud bahasa dari, can you go back home before 12? Nah, berikutnya, jika Anda ingin melaporkan kembali dan jika Anda ingin melaporkan kepada saya tentang pertanyaan kepala sekolah, apakah semua siswa sudah membayar SPP? Anda dapat menuliskannya sebagai berikut. My headmaster asked the student if they had paid their school fees. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari have you paid your school fees? Yang berikutnya, jika Anda ingin melaporkan kembali tentang apa yang ditanyakan oleh ayah Anda mengenai kepastian undangan Anda kepada teman-teman kelas untuk makan malam hari Sabtu, Anda dapat menulisnya sebagai berikut. My father want to know, wanted to know if I had invited my classmates to have dinner on Saturday. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari have you invited your classmates for dinner on Saturday? Teks berikut berisi laporan beberapa pertanyaan menarik yang telah dicatat oleh Stella Maris sebagai salah seorang siswa baru di sebuah sekolah. Ia tinggal di asrama dan ingin melakukan hal tersebut kepada orang tuanya di rumahnya. Dear Mom, I've been staying in the boarding house for a week. My new school is very comfortable and I enjoy studying with all my friends. I love all my teachers. There are some things interesting. I want to tell you I have a best friend. She asked me if I was Chinese girl. Furthermore, she asked if I could speak English and she wanted to know if my parents were Chinese too. She wondered if I lived in a large apartment and drove to school every day. Other friends asked me if they could come to play and have dinner with me. One of my teachers asked me if she could take me as her little daughter, as she just has two sons and no daughter. My English teacher told me if I could study English with him very well. I really feel happy studying in my new school. Stella Maris with much love. Poin E, laporan kembali ucapan yang berupa WH question. Anda melaporkan suatu permintaan informasi yang telah diucapkan dan disampaikan oleh seseorang. Reporting process yang Anda gunakan sebagai berikut. Ask, dalam kurung wanted to know, why, what, when, where, who, how. Terus seperti contohnya, salah satu teman terbaik Anda bertanya, bagaimana ia bisa selalu berada di dekat Anda? Anda dapat menceritakan tersebut dengan menuliskannya sebagai berikut. A best friend of mine asked me how she or he could always stay with me. Tersebut berasal dari how can I always stay with you? Salah seorang teman bertanya tentang acara liburan. Dia ingin tahu kapan Anda berencana pergi berlibur dan tempat mana yang akan Anda kunjungi. Jika hal tersebut ingin Anda lakukan kepada saya, maka Anda cukup menuliskan sebagai berikut. One of my friends asked me when I would have a vacation and what place I would visit. Kalimat tersebut berasal dari when will you have a vacation and what place will you visit? Suatu hari, Anda berencana mengadakan liburan ke suatu tempat bersama beberapa teman Anda. Anda sempat mencatat beberapa hal penting yang disampaikan oleh Biro Perjalanan serta beberapa hal pertanyaan tersebut ingin melaporkan kepada teman-teman Anda yang lain. Laporan yang Anda tulis mungkin akan terlihat sebagai berikut. Dear the committee, I've met the director of the traveling agent for the vacation plan. There are several things I wanted to tell you about what the director has asked me. He wanted to know where we would go, what places of interest we wanted to visit, and when we would depart. He asked me too if we would like to use IV Traveling bus, and asked whether we didn't mind spending a little more expensive for the bus fare. Furthermore, he asked how many of us would go and who would be the chairman of the tour. He also wanted to know how long he would spend for the vacation and in what hotel we would like to stay. His last question was what though that his last question was that he wanted to know what time we needed to be picked up and when we will meet him. He hoped to get all these questions answered as soon as possible. So that's all for chapter 4. Good luck and always do the best and love sincerely.